Slime into 10 or 8 slimes. So yeah, let's get straight out into the video. Alright guys, here is the slime I'm gonna try and attempt to make 8 different slimes out of, or however many I can. Let's see. We'll see what happens. Alright. Very hard, so I don't know what the heck to do with it. First we gotta like make it softer. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna split this into 8 different pieces if I can. So we got 7. All we need is 1 more. All right, we're gonna make this into a roll again. We're gonna try and make 4.
That one's tiny, Ameerah.
It's okay. There, ta-da! 8 pieces. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back in the bucket. I'm just kidding. Alrighty, so what should we do with this first piece of slime, guys? Put instant snow in it. This leftover I have, which should be just add a lot of water. I think I'll try that. We're gonna add a lot of water to this leftover instant snow I have. Mix that up. I'm gonna add some more water into this because I think it should be more watery. This looks so satisfying. I love how it's like semi-clear. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the slime in here and I'm gonna cut it into pieces so that hopefully it will absorb it better. Who knows if it will? Maybe it won't, maybe it will. Who knows? But you guys will see, actually will know right now. So yeah. Let's mix that all up together. We need a bigger fork. Let's mix this. Yeah. Woo. Come on now. You know, slime's supposed to be satisfying and I like always ruin it. Is this even absorbing anything? It's not absorbing it at all. What kind of slime is this? All right, well, first batch, fail. Okay. What did I do wrong? Okay, I have an idea. Glue all. That should really help it. That should really get it going, you know? Put it together. Hopefully. Now it just looks like a mess. Wait, I think it's working. I think it's kind of working. Maybe I add more glue. All right, well, this is a lot harder than I expected. This isn't absorbing. What am I to do? I don't know. What'd you guys do with this? Put more glue all, perhaps? Maybe I should put some vinegar or some citric acid, or maybe I should put it in the microwave. I think I'll do that, guys. I think I'm gonna put it in the microwave. That sounds like a good idea.
1 hour later.
Alrighty, guys, I put this in the microwave. Now let's see. Oh, that's hot. It's working. It worked. It kind of worked. All right, gotta work fast. Wow, I am actually so surprised that this worked. Let's just continue mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Yeah, I'm mixing the slime. Okay, it's working, guys. I am excited. I wonder how this is gonna turn out, because like I've never done this before. I don't think I've done this one. It worked! That took forever, but it worked. And I also doubled its size. Alrighty, so I really like this color, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more pink. I actually spilled some on my counter, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe. I can't believe I actually fixed it, guys. Like, I actually made it like pretty good. Alright, we need a little bit more pink dye. Gotta try and clean this. Like, it's such a mess. I hate it. Okay, I think that's good. It is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna add some foam beads in it. And ta-da! There's my first slime. It's kind of sticky to the counter, but it's okay. Alrighty guys, let's get on to the next slime. Alrighty guys, next one I'm gonna try is I'm gonna put some foam soap. Sometimes it like softens the slime, so I'm gonna try that out. Alrighty, let's try this out. Smells good. Alrighty. Kinda seems like it's working. Just getting really slimy, very slippery, soapy. I think it's working. It's working great, I think. We just can't stop believing, guys. Just gotta believe in the slime. Almost got it back together. Kind of seems like it got worse. A-okay. Alrighty, well this is what it turned into. Apparently it got worse, but it's okay, we can fix it by putting a bunch of hair gel. Let's see how that does. Oh my gosh. Alrighty guys, here it is. Ta-da! All done. Oh well, actually I'm not all done. I gotta put some color into this and stuff. But it came out pretty good, right? Although all the freaking glitter doesn't stick to the slime, but it's fine. Okay, so for this one, I think we should make it blue. Put some glitter in it. And voila! Ta-da! All better. Perfecto. Spaghetti-o. Perfect. Alright guys, so that is my second slime. Let's get on to the next one. Here's the next one. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put just straight up glue all on it. And we're gonna see how that works out. Alright, so let's just first fold it. Oh, I think it's working. I actually feel like it's working. Alright guys, I added the glue all and I think it made it even worse. Like, what the heck? Like, what is going on? I thought it would work. I was so positive it would work. Alright, well now I gotta figure out something to fix it. Should I put it in the microwave again, guys? I think I will.
8 hours later.
Alright guys, so I put it in the microwave with a little bit of water, of course. And it seems like it actually helped a lot. It's kind of hot. Hot. Okay, let's just knead it. I feel like I actually don't need the other rest of the water. This kind of feels good, like it's because it's like warm, but like it gets really hot. Alright. It's pretty good, but it seems like it's getting hard again. Because I think it's cooling down, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the water. Ow! That hurt. And we're going to go ahead and mix that. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, let's try again. Maybe I should just like mix it like that. This might be a good time to put my food coloring. We'll make it yellow. Ooh, that looks really cool. Working pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna put some gel in here. Hopefully that will help it like soften up. Okay, I think it's working, guys. Working pretty good. Ooh, it's working, it's working. Okay, I think the hair gel worked a lot and helped a lot. Oh, this actually looks really cool. Alright guys, here it's finally done. And I actually like this one a lot, like probably the most out of all of them. It's very nice. I love the color, texture. It's actually worked pretty good. all done with my third slime. Let's get on to the next one. Alrighty guys, so I decided for the routine for this to make another slime is gonna be just putting the slime in there, adding some water, and some hair gel. And then I'll fix it after because there is no way to fix these otherwise. Alrighty guys, here it is. I just took it out of the microwave. And this one, I am gonna try and make it gold. This is wrong gold. Okay, ooh, that's so pretty. Look at how pretty. Let's try and mix that in now. I wonder what the best thing to do. Is it like to knead it or to just mix it like this? Okay, it's working guys. I'm almost done.
48 hours later.
And it is all done. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, this actually looks really cool, guys. It's like liquid gold. Alright, well I guess that is it for the fourth slime. We are all done with 4 slimes. Now we gotta do the other half, guys. This next one, I'm gonna try and soften all of my pieces of slime. That way I have to do it one time. Because these are just way too hard. What the heck? Alrighty, we add some hair gel. Perfecto. And in the microwave you go. Alrighty guys, here it is. Now I have to mix it up. Ow. Ow. I should stop. Let's try doing it with a fork. Ow. Fine, I'll do it with a fork. I can't mix it as well with a fork though. Hot, hot, hot. This is actually like steaming, guys. Ow. Almost done, I think. Alrighty, I think I'm all done finally. It's kind of normal. Alright, and let's get started. What should I do with this, guys? Should I try and make a butter slime? So for this one, I decided I'm gonna try and make it a pink slime because I haven't made a just pink clear slime yet. So I'm gonna try that out. Ta-da! Perfect. Okay, let's put some of these sparkles, or these stars, I mean, actually. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this one is actually really nice. I really like this one. Of course, we gotta put some glitter, more glitter. This is just pink glitter. Alrighty, well that is it for this one. Let's get on to the next one. Here we go, here's the next one. I kind of want to try putting cornstarch in this because I haven't used cornstarch in a while and I want to see if it will like maybe make it a bit softer because it kind of does sometimes melt slime. So we'll see. Is it working? I don't think so. This was a mistake. Well, I don't think it made it any softer, guys. All right, let's put some food coloring in it. I'm gonna try and make this one purple. Alrighty, let's mix that up. Oh wow, that actually looks really cool, just like this. That looks so cool. Wow, that actually looks so cool because since this slime is like kind of like it's like really hard and like not stretchy, the colors actually mixed very slowly, so it looks really cool. Okay, well I wanted to put some shaving cream in there just to try it out, so I'm gonna. Hopefully it doesn't get destroyed. It probably will, but I don't know, I wanted to try it anyways. Wait a second. It's not that bad. Oh wait, no. It is that bad. Never mind, it's that bad. It's that bad. Well, Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess it's not that bad. Alright, well that's what happened to it. And ta-da! I'm going to put some foam beads in this one, or try at least. Ooh, that looks pretty. Alrighty. Let's put some glitter. Ooh, this looks really pretty. I like this one. It's kind of like, reminds me of like a monster unicorn or something. I don't know why. It's just because it's like kind of pointy, but it also has like a lot of glitter and it's like pastel purple. I like it. Next one is this one. What should we put in this? I have no idea. Hey, do you guys want to try out the glue method again? Since it's like softer, I want to try it out, so we're going to put some glue. I'm gonna try and separate it first. Just try to spread it out so that it's easier to mix. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. Was this a good idea or was this a terrible idea? I don't know. We'll see right now. I don't think it was a bad idea, but it wasn't a good idea. Anyways, here it is. It's kind of like a very glossy slime though. I like it. Good. I want to add clay in this so badly, but I know it's just going to become terrible because this slime is way too hard. Maybe if I get some lotion, but I don't think I have any more. Alright, I'm going to make this one green. We haven't made it green yet. Let's put some yellow. Oh, please. I dropped it. And some blue. Oh, whoa, that looks so cool, guys. Oh, no. I'm getting the yellow food going all over me. No. Uh-oh. All right, and it is everywhere. Great. All right, guys, here it is. Pretty good. All right, I'm going to add some foam beads. These rainbow ones. Oh, no. I added a lot. Whatever. Oh, wow, that looks so cool. Wow, this looks so cool, guys. Liquid challenge! Sharpest liquid in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? All right, let's get back to that. All right, guys, so here's how it turned out. It actually turned out really, really nice. The only problem is that it's like, you know, hard still, but like it looks so cool. Like I love the color and the foam beads in it actually look really nice. Next slime, guys, I am gonna do is I'm gonna try and attempt a jelly slime. So wish me luck. So first we need some snow. First, we just need a little bit of snow and a lot of water. Wow, I actually put a lot of snow in there, didn't I? All right, that is perfecto. Now we put this slime right here with the snow and we see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of blue. That was a lot, but whatever. And we'll see how this goes. This can't go wrong because I mean it's jelly, okay? It's the snow. It always melts slime, and it can't go wrong, right? I think it's working. I think it's working. Every time I say I think it's working, it's not really working. No, I think it's working. I hope. Guys, I think it worked. Oh my gosh, I think it worked, guys. And it looks really good. Whoa, this actually worked and I am very happy. Let's add some glitter. And we are done. It's so crunchy. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to part 2, and that is it. Love you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!